Hey, hello friends. Welcome back to Terraform Scratch to Specialist Level with Real-Time Workflow Project Part 2, my friends. So, friends, in today's session, we are going to discuss what is Terraform and how to install Terraform on your Ubuntu Linux, my friend. But friend, before starting the session, what I'm going to do from this session onwards, that I'm keeping the session very short because it's going to make sense for you and me also, so that the session should not be very lengthy, and it will be easy for you to go through the videos and you can go through the videos completely. But those who are new to this channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon, my friend. So, friends, before going to start the session, let me give you a little bit more about this session one, which will be split up into multiple parts. Okay, so this is mainly your introduction to automation. Okay, and in this session, we are mainly going to cover like discover what Terraform is and how it is used, explore how to install and upgrade Terraform, as well as different commands and syntax used in Terraform, my friend. Okay. So here, the first thing is, as I said, what is Terraform, my friend? So Terraform is an infrastructure tool which is used for building, changing, and versioning, my friend. Okay. And Terraform is very flexible and can in fact work with most common service providers. In addition to custom in-house solutions, using Terraform infrastructure is described by mean of high level configuration syntax, my friend. So what all these syntax are there? So friends, using Terraform is described by mean of high level configuration syntax. So there are two flavors of syntax here. First one is your HashiCorp configuration language or HCL and JSON configuration. Although HashiCorp contains that you should use only JSON configuration, when it's machine generated, the implications are huge though. Basically, this means that you can create a blueprint of your entire data center that can be treated as you would any other code in your organization, widely known as infrastructure as a code. This also means that your infrastructure described in code can be shared, reused with Terraform. So you have a planning step, and this when Terraform generates an execution plan. So the execution plan expresses what Terraform is going to do when asked to apply the plan, my friend. This is somewhat like a dry run so that you can see what it's going to do before actually applying the plan, thereby avoiding mistakes and surprises in the process. Terraform also generates a graph of resources and simulate the creation and modification of any non-dependent resources with this efficient infrastructure. Build the organization and those operating Terraform obtain a vision and clarity concerning dependency in the infrastructure concerning changes. Automation Terraform offers the ability to apply complex changes to the infrastructure at the same time minimizing human interaction. So, armed with an execution plan and resource graph, Terraform broadcasts exactly what is going to change and further in what order, that helps to prevent many potential human error, and this is just one of the indirect benefit of the way Terraform manages change automation, my friend. So this is all about Terraform. Now, friend, let me explain you how to install Terraform on Ubuntu Linux. So we are going to install Terraform on Ubuntu Linux in four steps. First, we are going to download the Terraform package, or you can say the keys, the public key, right? The GPG key and everything. Okay, and 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 then finally we are going to use the command sudo apt update sudo apt install Terraform, my friend. So let me show you each and everything step by step so you'll understand how to install Terraform on your AWS cloud, my friend. So first, just log into your AWS console, my friend. Let me log in. Don't worry about this one, man. Don't worry about this one, guys, because anyways, I am going to show you how to create an account on AWS in the AWS series, each and everything. So you'll get an idea from here also. The account I have already created it. So this is the dashboard. Looks like these are the services you can see if you click on this one or anywhere. Okay, so I have just recently visited these services, and again I have explained you this is your reason. So just click on this Elastic Cloud Computing, that is your EC2, and here just click on instances, and I am going to launch an instance, and I am going to name this instance Terraform server, my friend. Okay, it's up to you, whatever the name you wish to. Okay, and as I said, we are going to install Terraform on your Ubuntu Linux. So let me show you. So we are going to select Ubuntu, right? And it will be a free tier. It's all fine. Rest all is fine. So here you can see somebody was asking. I'm not sure. Just forgot the name in the comment or in the live streaming session, sir, like how to generate the PEM file or a PPK file. So, friend, if you can see here, if you have already generated and somehow you have deleted that file, okay. So again, you can generate that file. Just click on here, and here what you need to do is just enter the name of that key pair. So I have already generated for this particular, it is specific to a region. So I have, you can see I have already generated. If I write Mumbai, okay, so it's coming as a key pair already exist, okay, and I have given reason. So this also I have generated. So it's up to you, like one, two, three, or whatever you want to do it. You can do it. That's up to you, my friend. Okay, and then just select RSA. And because you are going to log in through SSH, Putty or any SSH client, I am going to show you how to. Putty is one common way to connect to any of the Linux server, but you can down MOVA extern also, so you can manage multiple sessions at a time, my friend. So here you can just select a .ppk and just generate a key pair. Okay, so if you can see here in the downloads, I have already downloaded this .ppk file, my friend. Okay, and yeah, so I'm just canceling this one. If you face any issue, just let me know. So I'm not going to generate any key pair over here because I have already generated. For this reason, I am going with the security group, and here you can see I have allowed from anywhere because we need to download some packages, right? And the GPG key and everything from your internet, so you should allow from anywhere here. Okay, and just click on these two also, so you should be able to reach out to this Terraform server, or anyone can reach out to. Okay, here you just make this configuration as it is. Don't make multiple changes. This everything I am going to explain you in the AWS session, in the AWS course, each and everything bits and pieces, so you will not forget in your entire life. That is my promise. Okay, so here just make sure number of instances will be one, and just launch this instance, my friend. So here it's asking that key pair needs to be selected, required. So I have already generated this one. So I'm going with this one because as I said, Mumbai region. Okay, and just launch this instant, my friend. Right? So just click on these instances. So if you click on these instances, just refresh this part, my friend. Just wait for a few seconds. It's under pending only. Now it's in running. Okay. So if I click on this instance, so to connect to this server, as I always said, there are many ways to connect to the server. If you want to click here, you can get like this. You can connect via this session manager, SSH also, right? There are different ways, but we are going to connect to this instance by SSH client. So the SSH client could be your putty and other also like mobile extern. Okay. So I am going to take this public IP over here, right? And see, if you want to download mobile extern, you can just go to just write in Google mobile extern and you will redirect to this page. Anyways, if it is you are not able to download, I'll put this link in the description box so you can directly go and download this one, my friend. Okay. So you just click on this one, so it will download. Here you can see download and like this it will download a zip file, just extract it and just run this one, so directly you'll reach out to here. Okay. So I am just closing this session, my friend. I am opening a new session. So I am using this as a SSS client because we can save the session also, so next time you no need to put the IP again like input T. If you end up the session, you need to restart, you need to put the IP. No, nothing like that. Just click on this session. Even you can save your password also. So just click on SSH. Here the host name you need to give. So I have copied the host name, that public IP, and just specify the username. So username is Ubuntu. How I know username is Ubuntu? If you go here and as I said, just click on connect. Okay. And here, if you scroll, you see to connect. So here you can see the username, right? It's telling you the Ubuntu. Okay. You can custom your name also. It's totally up to you. It doesn't matter. It should be Ubuntu only. You can create your own username also. Okay. These things I'll explain you in the AWS course. Okay. So I have given Ubuntu over here. Now the next advanced setting, what we need to do is just use so connect to this machine, you use a private key. What is that private key? .ppk file for SSH, for SSH client. Okay, for PuTTY or for Linux server. For Windows server, it will be .pem file will be there. Okay, so yeah, just click on OK. So just accept it. You can see that it's directly going to your session. It's not ask you the password also. Okay, so if you do sudo -i, you'll become root. If you type that who am I, you'll show that root. But we don't want to execute anything from the root because it's a super administrator. You can go through all my Linux video. You'll understand what is a root user, normal user, and a super user, my friend. Okay, so what will be the next step, my friend? So the next step, as I said, just log into this website, www.terraform.io. Just enter here. Okay, so you'll redirect to this page. I'll put up the link of this page also in the description. So here, what you need to do is earlier the process was little bit difficult. Okay, but now it's everything is easy. You can see Linux package manager, right? Just copy this here, which I have already copied to from here in the notepad. You can see here, correct? So these commands are there. But before doing anything, my friend, okay, what you need to do is sudo. As somebody was asking, what is the difference between update and upgrade? So my friend, you will update. So if whenever when you want to update your repository with latest package, just run the command called update. So whatever the old packages are there, it's going to download the new packages to your current repo, my friend. So in Debian or Ubuntu, okay, and also I'll explain you this thing. Let me explain this one. Sudo apt get update before executing any command, because some of the packages or it's not there, so it will update your operating system will be get updated, okay, by this command completely with the latest packages. Okay, so here what we are going to do is sudo. Why I am using? Because I have logged in as a normal user. Okay, so this is why I am using a super user can do. This means super user can do. Okay, so you are executing Ubuntu as a super user. Okay, and just run this one, so it's going to update your repository, so it's up to date. Now it's not going to throw you any error, right? Yeah, I was talking about, my friend. See, here you can see Linux. So I have copied for Ubuntu and Debian. Even it doesn't matter. You can go ahead and you can install for RHEL 7. So you can get this command for their yum command works for RHEL and CentOS. Okay, so you can do with this. Okay, you run this command also, it will work out. If you want to install an Ubuntu and Debian, apt get is the software package manager name. Okay, normally we call it as a package man. In the software package management, there is a complete video in my Linux tutorial. You can go through that one. Learn Linux, corporate Linux from zero to hero course. You can go to that course and you can understand each and everything, my friend. Okay, so anyways, I have copied this one. Let's go here. Let's copy this, the first line, shift and copy. Just go to your session, just clear this one. Okay, run this one. So here you can see it's downloaded. Okay, now the next command is, my friend, you need to echo this command, right? And execute this one. Okay, so it's done. Now the next step is, my friend, it's the final step, is install Terraform. So sudo, as I said, because you are a normal user over here, so just run this command. It's going to take time, hardly a few seconds, and you can see your Terraform is installed. How we are going to verify your Terraform is installed or not? You just run this command Terraform. So if it's going to give you all the output of a command like this, means you can see everything it's showing you over here, right? Your apply, your plan, your validate, your destroy, right? So these things we'll see in the next upcoming session, my friends. So this confirms that your Terraform is installed on your Ubuntu Linux, my friend. So friends, I am ending up the session here only. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos like this, just stay tuned to my channel. Just do take care of your loved one. Till then, Jai Hind and bye bye, my friend.